Monitor arms. Get freedom from congested and cluttered desks. Working on multiple screens. Eating up your workspace? Monitor arms are simple tools that will solve your problem. Work comfortably and efficiently on multiple screens. With BESA-compliant monitor arms. Prevent accumulation of dust by lifting monitor off the work surface and enjoy a super clean desk. Reduce strain on eyes and neck by placing flat panel monitors at correct positions. Align multiple screens effortlessly and increase viewing comfort. Install monitor arms easily with a single hand by using accessories like desk clamp and grommet mount. Uplift your productivity level with Complement Limited. Call 45 75 85 8500. Visit www.complement-ltd.co.uk